Hey, do you want to sound better? Use this. Number 1. Under the weather. Under the weather means feeling a bit low. For example, I could not work today because I was under the weather. Number 2. Weather the storm. Weather the storm means to overcome a difficult situation. For example, I wondered how she weathered the storm after losing the job. Number 3. Cloud 9. Cloud 9 means to be feeling good or to be in a better place. For example, he was at cloud 9 after winning the competition. Number 4. All wet. All wet means somebody is mistakenly understanding something. That means somebody mistook a particular idea. For example, he insisted that all our assumptions are all wet. Number 5. Number 5 is as right as rain. Now, as right as rain means to be fine and healthy. Now, how can you say it in a sentence? You will say that you will soon be as right as rain. So, these are 5 idioms that if you use in your sentences, you will sound much better. So, with that note, follow Siksha Masterji for more updates.